Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some quick and easy Mexican style street tacos. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by seasoning our thinly sliced ribeye steaks. And just make sure that they're very thin. And for this we're just going to use a little bit of salt and black pepper. Press it in and do it to both sides. Once we have it, set it to the side and repeat the process with all of the steaks. Alright guys, and once we have our steaks, we're going to allow them to sit for a few minutes. Meanwhile, we can make some quick pickled onions. Alright, so we're going to begin by cutting our onion. So remove the ends. Okay, now just peel it. Just cut it in half. And we're going to cut it into strips. It's okay to cry. And we're just going to transfer them to a strainer. And now just take it to the sink and give it a good rinse. Now that we have our onions, transfer them to a bowl. Okay. And now we can get ready to chop our peppers. Alright, now for my pickled onions, I like them to be a little spicy, so that's why I like to add a chile habanero and chile serrano. But of course, if you don't want it to be spicy, you can always add just half of a jalapeño. So we're just going to cut it. And for my jalapeno, and for my chile serrano, I like to cut it in rounds. Okay. Transfer it with the onions. Okay. I'm just going to do the same with my chile habanero. Now when you chop your peppers, make sure to use gloves. Unless you're a pro like me. Okay, transfer it with the peppers as well. Okay, now we can grab our limes. And you just want your onions and your peppers to be covered in lime juice. So just squeeze it. And here we're just going to season with salt, black pepper, and a little bit of oregano. Just continue mixing it. And here we're just going to set them to the side until it's time to serve. Alrighty guys, now of course every taco needs a delicious salsa. So we're going to be making a quick avocado salsa. To a blender cup, we're going to add 3 avocados. So just scoop them out. Make sure you get all of it. Okay, to our avocados, we're going to squeeze half a lime. And just make sure that your lime is nice and juicy. If not, use the whole thing. Okay, add a piece of onion, 3 garlic cloves. If you don't want your salsa to be spicy, skip on the chiles, but I like to add 2 chile serranos. Here we're going to add our salt to taste, along with the black pepper. Add your handful of cilantro. And we're going to be blending with half a cup of water. Or you can use milk as well if you want it more creamier. Okay, now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Alrighty, so once we have it, we can transfer it to our bowl. Alrighty guys, and once we have our avocado salsa and pickled onions, we can now get ready to cook our meat. Alrighty guys, so now to cook our meat, I'm going to be using my griddle. This one you're always able to find it at Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box. But I'm going to be adding a little bit of lard, or as always you can use oil. And we're just going to set it over medium-high heat. So just allow that to get nice and hot. Alrighty, and once you see the smoke, that means that it is ready. So we're going to place our steaks and just cook them however you like them. I like to cook them for about 2 minutes per side. Okay, so after the 2 minutes, flip them over. And here I also like to cook my tortillas. So allow them to get some of that grease. And just allow them to finish cooking. Alright, so once our steaks are cooked to our liking, we're just going to remove them from the heat. And just allow it to rest for a few minutes before you get ready to serve, okay? So here my tortillas are done as well. And I'm just going to continue cooking the rest of our steaks, so then we could get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and once our meat has rest, now we can get ready for the fun part, and that's serving. Now of course you can always chop your steak into small pieces, or just serve it like that. Just going to grab my tortilla, grab my piece of steak. I'm going to grab our delicious avocado salsa, the cilantro, and of course the pickled onions. And because the pickled onions have a lot of lemon, you don't have to add any more. This right here is just the cherry on top, just like that. So now we can get ready for the best part. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this right here are seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious and definitely cheaper than going to Mexico City. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Everything is just so perfect. And they're so simple, you know, but full of flavor here.